Okay. All right, guys. Good morning to everyone. Yet again, it's Friday, and today is the 14th of March. That's the last trading day of the week. Now, welcome to 215 Trades, the home of the 215 technique, where we'll be looking for entries on gold using this lovely technique. Now we were live on the Asian session. As you can see, basically I'm still using my Asian zone because price is still in my Asian zone. Asian session was it was slow, a bit boring, but yeah, we were able to get a few entries from it, and I'm guessing if we had stayed on all night, we would have caught more and more entries just the same, continuing throughout the night, because it would be another buy from here, but we would be in drawdown for a while, and then we would have hit all of that just the same. So I'm still using my Asian zone. My 7 o'clock candle is right here somewhere, pretty thereabouts. So I'm still using um my Asian zone right now. There's no need. We got the sell side got tested only once as well from the end, from throughout the end. Oh no, actually got tested here as well, only just by a wick until earlier on now in the morning. It was being tested now. 15-minute rejection, and these were it was tested by wicks yet again, even though they have candle closures, but the candle closures are pretty uh some distance away from the rejection line, so might be interesting just to wait to get the line to be properly tested before actually going for a short in this instance. All right, now let's have a look what I'm looking for the buy area as well. Let's be we can get a break on that to confirm that, because we're at all-time highs. It's ideal. It's pretty ideal for you to really get a break and a retest. Really, because at any given point in time we can just get a massive sell-off. Really, and that's the risk of everything. At the present minute. So price just broke above the buy line, above the 215 zone, just there just now. Tested a 15-minute rejection, not quite. So let's see, I had to adjust the 15-minute rejection because price has done a lot. So yeah, tested it only by a wick, so I just needed to see another proper test of it if I'm going to be going for a long position. Now CADJPY is going good. Still tracking it. Yesterday this didn't give me an alert in the Asian session. However, this candle was too massive outside of the range, so didn't quite have a look at that. Um, didn't yes, and she was not taking on that. But I'm still live testing this strat on CADJPY because of how it moves. It moves quite smoothly. So I'm just going to apply. Let me apply it again to this once. As a matter of fact, let me just bring these lines here. I want to see wherever this candle closed. That's where I want to put it. So 20 seconds left. So in 20 seconds, I'll just come back on that. So as you can see, the price has been properly respecting the Asian 215 zone. So that's good. Let's see. Hey, good morning, Sylvia. Good morning, Natilla and Migidan. Greetings, my friend. And morning to you as well, Manny. Welcome. Welcome. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. I would. Oh, okay. Let's put this back here. I'm still live testing this on CADJPY, so it's pretty interesting to see what it would turn out to be. So that's 103, and then what price are we going to be looking at for this? 179 for that. So alert set back again. Want to see what's going to happen. So let that stay and simmer. Now let's see what's going to happen. Ideally, would really love to see if we can get a sell off on this, just a proper test and retest of these sell areas. Why I would interested in the sell is because if you look on the higher time frames, like there's so much supports created on the downside that hasn't really been tested back. Morning, Ryan. So shall be pretty interesting to see. Need that 15-minute rejection line to be properly tested. Just that because it's been tested with wicks. All right, haven't barely been tested with any body candle closes as yet. I don't want to be caught in a fake out. For instance, what happened here, it's been tested with a wick. However, that was a massive fake out and a retracement back toward the buy side. So I want price to come down, hit, smash right into it with a candle closure. Like for exhibit A here, like that. Then a retracement. Would I still need to call it Asian zone? Not yeah. Then again, yeah, just let it. The naming convention doesn't matter really, does it? Volume. There's a lot. There's a lot of volume on it now. If you look at the size of these candles as it gets closer to the London session, London has just not been great for me. Yeah, he's not. He's just not doing what I would like it to do for me. But I'm still just waiting patient. I haven't gotten a banger off an entry in a while. Basically, you could say that start. But in Asia, those are just little pips, being eaten on, and nothing too much. The overall sentiment of the market is pretty bullish as well. So even if it dumps, right, if it doesn't dump and take off like all of this range, then we can still look to capitalize on some entry twos from these support areas. New all-time high got created as well. Didn't really confirm an entry two for us to even consider to take. I think the next time it comes back up, definitely for sure it's gonna go for the 3,000. It's just getting closer and closer by the minute every time it goes there. 2960 or 2953. 2960. No, yeah. Well, on the 5 minute, there's none on the 5 minute. It's all just a very big green range here on the 5 minute. On the 50 minute, more than likely, is going to be a bigger greener range. And on the 30 minute, it's just bigger greener range. So it's a lot of like there's no support in this mix, and that's why if because if a sell confirms, like if a truly decent sell confirms, there's a possibility, there's a very strong possibility of price like trying to clear or cover this range, because it's a clean range. It's a pretty decent clean range as well. And I'm pretty sure that I'm not the only one who's anticipating something like that to happen. It may not just fall, but knowing gold as well, it may very well just fall right through it. Because these lines, I don't think these lines that these are 15-minute support lines. Yeah, the white lines are 15-minute support lines, because I don't think I have, like, on the higher time frames you can't really see anything on the higher time frame because there's no support farm. So I'm using these 15-minute support lines. But look at it. Let's go back to the 5-minute time frame and look at the Asian session. It confirmed the buy so many times, but each time we confirm the buy, it's not like it was moving up by a lot of pips, like 30 pips to 20 pips. They're about those small moves until that. Yeah, well, that move here from the range, which would be like possibly about a 50 pip move. All right, cool. That was like a 60 pip move. I was sleeping at that time, so I could never have taken that. So that's a 60 pip move, but it's not really, since it's just been testing above or above, but it hasn't really been testing on the sell side as yet. And that's one of the main reasons why I don't want to get caught out. Um, fake out. So definitely for sure, I need to see like a proper sell retest confirmation to go for the short. Yeah, there's a lot of fake out in the handover. Yeah, you are definitely right. You are definitely right. In this little space right here, because I think the Asian session is about to be closed now, if I'm not mistaken. Let me look at Forex Factory. Forex Factory usually have that little market session clock at the bottom of the screen. I don't know. Actually, oh, so the Asian session actually overlaps with the London session at 9 o'clock. So at 9 o'clock London time, that's when it closes. The Asian session, well, Tokyo session closes. So we have 1 hour and 45 minutes left of the Asian session. Well, it's Friday, so alright guys, remember to like the stream if you haven't yet done so. Alright, let me make sure that my MetaTrader is active. Turn on my one-click trading. Okay, good, that's on. Increase my lot size because I'm looking for an entry 1. You can see the numbers. The numbers have dwindled down. The viewership numbers have dwindled down. We haven't had like any decent entries on stream, so you can see that persons are not coming through. Again on the stream, all of those persons who are loyal to the 215 technique, you're actually seeing on here. What, it's now only 9 persons on. Well, that's fine though. But yeah, that's all right. It is the last trading week, so hopefully next week will be better. Well, next week will definitely be better. So not too worried about that. So the numbers will come back when we're winning again. But that's all right. Greetings, Nash. Welcome, my friend. Remember to like the stream if you haven't yet done so. Thank you. It's Friday, so I'm waiting for a decent well, I need a buffet of pips right now, man, because it's just been dry. Yeah, it's been a really dry last couple of days, and then because I've been so busy as well, I haven't really gotten a chance to look at the charts how I used to. But that's all right. Not complaining. Hmm. We're at 1,178 subscribers. Would be pretty decent if we could end the week at the all-time high of 1,180 thereabouts. That's only 2 subscribers. So guys, if you have any mobile phones or anyone you know who hasn't subscribed to the channel, we need 2 more subscribers to get to 180. So if you would be so kind, I would appreciate it. Still working with my Asian zone. For those who are just joining, because price has really just been reacting into the Asian zone perfectly. Look at the upside so many times. It hasn't really it's like it hasn't really confirmed any entry tools, any decent entry tool for us to take. Especially, you'd expect to see like an entry tool at all-time highs, but yeah, it's not all the time you get it. But it's fine. Just got to be patient, patiently waiting. So don't want to get caught in a fake out for the sell, because as you can see, look at it. This 50-minute rejection line is pretty strong, and it's so strong where you can see that each time price comes in to test it, it actually just catapult backs up towards, in the zone, right? So I need it to be properly tested, like with a body candle hidden right into it, like this first candle right here, because you don't want to be caught in a fake out for it. Thank you very much for that, Nash. Good morning, Henny. Welcome. So you don't want to get caught in that fake out. So I need to see it properly. Need to see it properly tested. What's going on CADJP? Why am I not, bro? That what's going on, man? I'm not getting these alerts because I did set the alert there for the buy line there about. That's crazy. I still need to know because this candle just closed about the buy line. I still need to know. Hold on, let's go to the higher time frames just to see what price is looking at. Still need to know. Live testing CADJPY. That's what's going on. To see how many times it works out. No, I didn't. No, I was away from the markets when all of this was going on yesterday. All of that price action. I wasn't into it. But I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that you did, Henny. So Ryan, I've been testing the 215 in a sense on the CADJPY, and so far it has been good based off what I'm seeing. So I'm going to do some more like back testing over the weekend, because it doesn't it's not a period that moves with a lot of volume to get like retracements and so forth, because once it breaks and it just continues either in either direction. However, just I can't tell how far are you willing to put your entry candle on. but let's see. Let's see. So let's see how this one plays out. Asian one did play out good as well. So let's see how this one plays out. Yeah, 215 never confirmed. Yeah, that's the thing with the 215. I tell you guys, I'm at 180 now. Ah, thank you guys very much for getting me to 180. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, good. So that's the first decent thing that happened this morning. Yeah, the 215 didn't. Thank you, Levi. It didn't confirm um yesterday, I believe. Didn't watch it quite a lot still, so I didn't not 100% sure what happened after stream. Yes, I'm waiting I'm waiting as well, Henny. Waiting as well. Asian session was just some little snacks. Some little snacks here and there. All right, what time is it now? It's now 7:23 a.m. Price is breaking the 215 zone, going down towards the sell side, as we can see here. Just need for it to test that 15-minute rejection properly. Yes, we are at 180 now. Nash, thank you very much for that, my friend. $180 subscribers. That's what it means. 1,180 subscribers, honey. All right, this candle looks like it's going to confirm a proper test of that 15-minute rejection if it closes. All right, good. 15-minute rejection line tested on the sell side. So now I just need to wait for a retracement back into the zone. Let's adjust this candle, these candlesticks. No, not sticks that way. So this is now what I'm waiting for. She has a side strategy, her original trading strategy. I took a quick gloss off this candlestick. You can't handle this. Under crypto, this ain't no strong building. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame. What are we looking at? Oh, we still have a 15-minute candle below the range as well. What do you guys think is going to happen? Let's do a quick poll. Do you think? Oh, I missed off the U there. Come on, man. Okay, decent. So we're getting a retracement back into the zone. What time is it now? Time is what? 7:30. 7:30. So we're not too far away from London. We're getting that sell side has been tested. How far are we from all-time high if we were to get a candle closure here? 60 pips away. That's decent. That's a decent breakfast, that is. 75% saying that we will be getting a sell today. All right. Okay. And 25% saying that we will get a buy. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Price could come back to around that point of interest area. Let's see what the gold hovers, record breaks. They don't allow a trailing stop loss. Interesting. I have so many brokers out there with these funny little things. What time is it now? 7:33. It's pretty early. But the volume is decent though. It's not yet London open as yet, but the volume is decent based off the sizes of the candles. Does it allow you to take partials any, or you have to close the entire position as well? Really? Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's a bit. $7.34. 80% going for sells. 20% going for buys. 83% now going for sells. No, I would would have entered a position if I wasn't here and then close it once it flipped. AQ. Never heard of that broker. You'd enter what position for a flip? You'd enter buy, sell. What would you do? Yeah, definitely need to explore other brokers. There's so many good brokers. There's so many good brokers out there. There's no need for you to like be with a broker that doesn't give you flexibility in the market, because there's so many good ones. You were depressed because you weren't in a position on it. Don't be like that. Every single day that you're gonna be like that, because gold is gonna be making big moves every single day. You can't be depressed because of that. Greatest thing, I don't think you lost anything, so it's fine. I was surprised to see it as well, because when I got a chance to glance at my phone, I saw that it was at all-time highs again. I was like, ah, that's crazy. But you would expect that with everything that's going on right now. But just be patient. Our time will come. Buy from here. Okay, well that would make sense as well, because that's a 15-minute support, and each time price came into it, it would be a rejection, just the same. Exactly. This gold has been doing this for a while, and if you don't take an entry today, you'll take an entry Monday. If you missed yesterday, you have today. So the opportunity will always come back. So there's no need for you to rush. Your time will come. $7:38. 20 minutes until London opens. Just hope London doesn't come and do us dirty again. That's the thing. London opening has been doing us dirty for a while now. So let's see. Let's see what London is going to come with. All right, remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. All right. Poor Baba. So if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. We have 89 persons saying that we're going to be getting this. Well, not 89, 90%. Yeah, 90% of the voters are saying that a sell is going to win the election. So let us see what is going to happen. London opens in 20 minutes. CAD. All right, hold on now. Let's have a look at CADJPY. Because it's slow, but it's decent based on how it moves. So I want to see how it displays. Would you use a big stop loss like that, or would you just use a stop loss to your point of interest? I want to really back test it and see how this one works out. %82 saying sell. So we have 18% saying buy. Let's rename this to say Asia, London and Asian zone, because that's what it is. How do I get this to stay at the forefront? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Getting some reaction around that point of interest area, which is decent. All right, remember guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. It's Friday, the last trading day of the week. London session opens in 15 minutes. So I'm looking to see if I can get a pretty decent entry here on the call. Ideally, if it wants to confirm a buy or a sell, it's up to the market to decide. But whatever it decide, I'm going to be working with the 215 entry related to that. Price has broken below the 215 zone, tested the 15-minute rejection here with wicks of candles, but not necessarily a body candle close. However, it has rejected back into the range of the 215 zone and then rejected from the sell line area back down to test my 15-minute rejection line on the sell side. So prices in the middle of the zone now, in the middle of the range around the point of interest, will be pretty decent for it to close around that point of interest to further validate and strengthen the 215 zone. And then if I could get a break from the point of interest back down below my sell line, then that would be a very good confirmation for me to take a short position and targeting the lower support for our entry. But if it doesn't do that, if it continues to go on the upside, I would definitely love to see a retracement, a break and retracement back in to the zone with a candle closure on the inside to confirm that buy move. However, gold has just been pretty crazy the last couple of days in the London session where it's not giving me any retracement, and I'd really love to have a retracement, especially that we're at all-time highs as well. So there's always a level of uncertainty as well, but getting that retracement, that retest of the zone is a very good confirmation to say, all right, this is what it's going to be doing. So time here now is 7:45 a.m. here in London, and the weather outside is 2 degrees. So it is pretty cold right now, but it's cold, but it's not as gray as any other day. So that's that. That's the London and Asian zone, 215 zone. We're using the London and Asian zone because the Asian zone market never left the Asian zone, and at the 7 a.m. the candle was just above the point of interest. So I'm still using that Asian zone from the previous stream. Did catch quite a few pips in the previous stream, though nothing much, just a little bit of a breakfast or appetizer if you want to call it that. But we haven't had a very big, massive move as yet. So that's what I'm waiting for as well. Hopefully I can get a buffet style of pips for this morning. So just waiting for something to basically be cooked up here in the market. All right. Doing a poll right now, we have 82% saying that we'll be getting a sell today. No, I just analyze it based on how I see it. There's nothing there's no app that I use to analyze it. Sylvia, my humblest of apologies. Let me send it to you now. I just took a quick loss off that candlestick. Oh, dang, you can't handle it. This yellow is just being lost in that. Let's switch out from yellow. Red, nah, I don't want to see red in my zone. Blue. Style. Let's see, big yellow. That shows out more. Yeah, that shows out more. I like that. It's just behind the candlesticks. So why is it behind the candlesticks and not coming on top of the candlesticks? White. What does it look like if it was white? Oh, black maybe. Now you're talking. I like that. I dig that. Yeah, I dig that. Maybe not yellow though. Black and red now. Black and green. Black and blue. Black and blue. Black and purple. Black and red. Maybe black and green. Black and blue. What do you guys think? Go back to the original. Ooh. Yeah, something still seems a little bit off. Let's put it back to purple. Hey, brother. Anyways, we can join in the live to speak, bro. I was thinking of that. The only way you could actually join the live would be via Zoom, but it would have to be pre-planned because just to get it set up now is gonna be a little bit difficult. The colors are gradient, so they show behind solid colors. Yeah, Ryan. So yeah, you can join, but it's just that doing it right now is a little bit because I'm gonna have to get the Zoom set up and all of that. So maybe not midstream, but if we're gonna be doing a talking stream, then we have to like pre-plan it, kind of thing. I tell you what, we could do a talk stream. We could do a talk stream on maybe next Tuesday. I could set it up for next Tuesday, and if anyone is interested and want to be on the stream, we could do that. I think that will help. Yeah, sure. So we can engage with the community. That would be nice. Could do that next Tuesday. Because Monday is what? I think I'll have an extended stream on Monday though, because I'm London opening, doing London opening with the premium members. But I think I might do an extended stream afterwards. But yeah, Ryan, that's not a bad idea. I know a lot of persons would want to join, so might have to do it in a case where, um, you don't spend too long on air. So you come on and you come off after a while to give someone else a chance who may want to say something to the chef. All right, so 71% of persons saying that it's a sell, 30% basically, well, 29, but 30% saying that it's going to be a buy. So the numbers are definitely changing on that. So in order for me to get a buy, I would really love to get a retest of this little range here, right here on the 15-minute time frame. Even hold on, even if I look at the because there's no 50-minute candle that's being closed over the zone as well. So if we can get a test of that 50-minute rejection, as you can see right here, where price came in, tap and pulled back, then that would be ideal as well. I might actually layer my position as well if I'm not if based on how gold has been operating, because it hasn't really been giving me any retest since Tuesday. So doing a layer in the position is not a bad idea. Just to say, what if it just breaks and doesn't confirm that retest? But if it breaks and doesn't confirm the retest, if you miss, you miss. That's it. There's no need for you to trace it. Ryan and Sylvie, I think you guys do trade CAD, JPY, as you guys had mentioned yesterday. Could you just confirm to me, like when you put in on a stop loss on it, what's the usual stop loss price that you normally go with? Because I don't know how to calculate the pips just yet, because I need to do some back testing on a demo and all of that to know how to calculate the pip price and all of that. So in the middle of the night. Oh yeah. This is a pretty strong consolidation zone. Look at that. Pretty strong consolidation zone since market open, because market open here. Market open here. It went up maximum of what? Let's run it off to 60 pips from market open in Asian. And it went down. Let's run that off to 80 pips on the sell side. Not bad. It's been consolidating, and maybe if I don't know if we have persons who uses, what do you call it, trend lines. You can see that price is like going down in a sense. There's like a trend line there going down in a sense. I don't know where I would put the next one though, but you see, it's in a range, sorta. So if price, well, look at that though. That trend line aligns with that 15-minute rejection retest. All right, so 7 pips. So 7 to 10 pips on this, right? But what is 7 to 10 pips? So looking at the price now at CAD JPY, right? It's 100.236, right? It's 100.2. It's 100 point. Oh, wait a minute. This calculates it, does it not? Because hold on. This says 15.8. So I'm guessing that's 15. That's 15 pips. So 7 pips would look. So what did he say? 7 to 10 pips. So 10. That's what 10 pip would look like. Ah, interesting. Is 10 pips the same size between the buy line? Ah, yeah, that aligns perfectly. That aligns perfectly. Okay. I get it. I get it. I get it. Thank you for that, Sylvia. They so this I think this is between the buy line. It's 0.100 from the price here. So I'm guessing it's 10. it will be 10 pip from the POI to the buy line. So it's 10 pip between here and here and here and here. What's going on? So that makes sense. If you use pending orders on MT5, it will tell you the stop loss in dollars, same as the TP, even if you don't execute. So you use pending orders to do the calculation. That's smart. To be, you know, and well, you use, when you used to use buy stop, sell stop strategy, you did that. But gold hasn't been behaving like that in a while. It's necessary to add spread. Okay, so put a buffer on it then. Okay. So well, we use FTMO and IC markets. I think this is on Owanda though. Yeah, it's on Owanda. So interesting to say that instead of doing like a full-on stop loss at the rest of the zone, if we're gonna do it, it would be best to put it in one half of a zone then maybe. I'll backtest it some more. I'm also interested in doing some backtesting on Euro USD as well. Decent entry to here on Euro USD. Right there, coming down, 2 candlesticks going in the opposite direction. Bam, taking a buy from right there. Decent. All right, hold on. Let's go back on the 5-minute time. You know what? Let me take this thing off before it confuses me, man. Because I don't use them. Okay. Oh, wait. I didn't even realize it's actually 8 o'clock now. All right, so it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock now. London has just opened. We have 73% persons saying that it's going to be a sell and 27% saying it's going to be a buy. So let's see what is going to happen. London has been spanking me like crazy these past couple of mornings because it's not doing what the chef ordered. So the chef has to be sitting on his hands. So let's just see what's going to happen. If it's the case where we're going to get a retest for the buy, or we're going to get a break back below for the sell. First 5 minutes of the London Open is usually to identify itself. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. As created a bottom wick, there's not really a top wick. There's just a little bit of a nipple, but let's see what it's going to do. So far, if you look at that, we haven't even had like much candle closures on the lower side of the range. So it's still showing like there's still heavy buy pressure on this setup just the same. Look, because all these 1 hour candles, none of them actually close below this range, not even close to the sell line. So the buy pressure is still high on these time frames. But when you go higher on the 4 hour, you can see that price is slowly trickling down as well. So interesting. Remember, we're not in it for the overall all of the moves. We're just in it for a move that we can capitalize on. So let's see. Let's see what's going to happen. 15-minute time frame. Evenly distributed volume on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see. Distributed in the zone though, that's what I mean. Testing every 15-minute candle, as you can see. Well, not every, but majority of them testing either the buy and the sell line as well. So this is the first 5-minute candle being closed now for 8:05. So the next candle should show the proper direction of what it wants to do. So let's see what's going to happen. Would have been pretty decent if that had broken. And that, but just need to see what you want to do, gold. Give me some pips, man. We're starving over here. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, all right, please go ahead and do so, all right? How many likes do we have so far? 15 likes, 19 viewers. Ratio is good. All right, fine. How many subscribers do we have today as well? Cool. We got another one. All right, great, great, great. All right, well, things are going well. Oh, I just took my eyes off the chart. Come on, London. Do not do us dirty. Do not do us dirty. Do not do us dirty. London has been playing with us in the sense where every morning this candle does not give us a retest. It just breaks and it just goes. But you're at all-time highs now. I don't want to be caught in a fake out. I want it to retest. So just give me the retest. Another day. Another day. Price is pushing. Can have a retracement. Looking at the 5 minute time frame here, what happened here? Would love to get that. 15-minute time frame as well. It's still in a retracement area as well, so the possibility is still there for it to pull back ideally. But if London doesn't want to give it to us, they will definitely just be pushing it to the roof, man. Because that one candle alone is like 90 pips, maybe, or 40. I was over exaggerating there on that. Still waiting patiently, but one because also as well all-time high is there as well. So if we don't get the retracement, then I'm gonna have to be looking for an entry to somewhere thereabouts. So come on, London. Let's see. This is all that we want. Hold on. Wait a minute. This is a 15-minute. That's a 30-minute. Hold on. All right, good. Getting a. Don't even want to get my hopes up on this because Gold has been doing this. London has been doing this for a while, man. Has been playing with us. It's just been playing with the technique. 75% saying that we're getting a buy, and we have 25%. Oh wait, no, 25% saying we're getting a buy, and 75% saying that we are getting a sell. This one candle invalidated all entries of the 215, really. Whatever I was going to be using retest or go. So I still wouldn't have taken any entries on that. It's what, 8:12 now. So that's, yeah, it's going to be 8:15 in a few minutes. Price is still pushing up. And then has forgotten that the chef is here waiting to be fed. Yeah, just waiting patiently. respond and then give us a surprise. .30-minute candles. 15 minutes until that 30-minute candle closes. Does it want to retest those highs? What does it want to do? Does it want to create a new all-time high again? What does it want to do? This is the exact same thing it does for the past couple of days. That's the exact same thing it does. Pretty decent, that is. Alexia, good job on that. At 85, so just about, where's 85? Where's 85? Just about here. Okay, well that's decent. That's a decent play to pips, that is. Alexia, 40 pip, that's nice. Congrats. Congratulations. %71% saying that we're going to be getting a sell. We have 29% as now saying that we're going to be getting a buy. You can reevaluate if that's the case, if you want to maybe adjust your response. Yeah, just waiting right now, see what's gonna happen. All right, good. So that's a first rejection, that is, from that direction. It's in that little 5-minute rejection area, that is, but momentum still seems to be really strong on it to still continue higher. So waiting, waiting, waiting. Going through a little bit of a chop, man. We haven't been able to catch a real bang off entry on stream, bro. All right, so I'm guessing now this is going to be the road to 3,000. Well, if anyone is in a buy right now and it's still continuing to push like that, my TP is good, would be at $3,000. That's why it only need 10 pips to get there, 100 pips to get there. But don't count the 215 out just yet, because we still have entry 2, and we have also we have 40 minutes left on stream as well. So that's a lot of time for us just to come in at the latest and just swoop in and get a entry, right? So still don't lose hope. Don't lose hope in the 215, my friends. Don't lose hope in the 215. We're still in the game. We're still in the game. 40 minutes. A lot of things can happen in 40 minutes. This candle can just disappear and appear in the zone. so, so let's just wait. Be patient. Pretty clean range as well. Pretty clean range as well. If we get that retracement for it to actually go back for that 70 pip move. So just waiting. Still in this sell area as well. But yeah, he's pushing as if he wants to continue higher. Retrace that he can. Yeah, Henny. London has just been messing with us, man. For the most part, it just really has just been messing with us. Is not confirming the proper entry setups for the 215. And I'm not gonna take an impulse buy on this as well. Sell in this range, of course. I would be interested in taking a sell in that range. Why not? Because if it doesn't confirm the retracement, then I will have to look for an entry 2, and the entry 2 set up from the all-time highs again. All right, good. Congrats, Manny. Think yeah, Alexei is also as well in a buy from 2985 as well. Very good. Like to see that you guys are eating, but the chef is starving. There's no ingredients in the kitchen, man. The chef can't cook. Chef is just fasting, really. Yeah, let's say that. Let's not use the words starving. The chef is fasting, and he's just waiting right now to break his fast. Yeah, young man cheated. Well, since Sylvia cheated on the technique, she has just opened the doors for everyone just to be cheating right now. So I'm not surprised anymore. That's a decent pip, push upwards for you guys who came in at 85, because that's what 100 pip that is going to be soon. Not one retracement, not one single one. Let's put the white broken lines on the tippy top of that candle right there. I missed my bottom line entry strategy. Well, you missed it or you didn't take it. Let's remove this. Let's not give the wrong idea. It was once. It was once. Yeah, we know it was once. Yeah. Open the door though. What if they try to make it double top and then dump? Yeah, well, yeah, the possibility is there. The possibility is there as well, money. That's why, because we didn't get that entry two, that entry one, so we just have to look for wait for an entry one. So that's why trying to see if it's gonna happen. So if it goes up, breaks, confirm that entry to sell, then I'm gonna try out the sell, which is even doubly riskier because you're doing it at all-time highs and you're going against a very strong buy. $8:30 here in London. The good thing is that I can confidently take a long position in 215 as opposed to my move. It adds another option for you. Okay. Oh, this is the opening of a 30-minute candle, is it not? Let's see. Yep, opening of the 30-minute candle, so it's gonna. Ooh. Wow. That's perfectly aligned. Is this the surprise retracement? That candle dumped 35 pips. If he comes below this line, then yeah, we can maybe look for it to come back all the way to the range. So let's see. Come on, London. Perfectly kissed that 30-minute / 1 hour support right there. It is rejecting aggressively as well. Not rejecting in the sense for us to get like the entry tool from it though, because we needed 2 candles to really confirm it. It's so nice if it comes to 2895. It's a discount zone for us to buy, chef. Yeah, because if it comes back to 2895, that's basically in the mid of that's in the zone. So let's see. That's the first 5 minutes of the 30-minute candle. Yep, that did it. 50-minute candle as well. So we have the waiting to this. The sell seems pretty aggressive. So if we can get it to continue to push downwards and back into the 2 and 5 zone, then that's good. That's good. So I'm just going to wait to see how long we have. 30 minutes left on stream as well. So let's see if we can get it before we end the stream. Get a bang off an entry today. We haven't had a banger on stream for a while. So let's see. Mr. Evans, good morning to you. And once I know Mr. Evans is here now, because it usually aligns with an entry. Usually aligns whenever Mr. Evan comes on and say good morning, my friends. Usually aligns with an entry. So let's see if this is going to be the push for price to come back to that range. Yeah, that's true. It's been a very nice week. Very nice week. So far we got a few pips here and there, but it's just that we haven't had like since Monday we haven't like had a major feast from my side, and also the premium guys as well. Haven't had a major feast. Hey, JP, my Japan viewer, my friend, daily vlog, welcome. I'm all right. Hope you're all right. Generally, I predict 3040 is the way because if the UK Euro news, our target is at 310. Yeah, I love those targets. You know, I love those targets. If it comes back to the zone and confirms it, then absolutely for sure that I'll just put my full on TP at that. But uh, I don't have a target. I can't aim for a target because I'm not in a position. So let's see. And then this candle, there's no way we can even take an entry two from this candle because it doesn't make sense. So just waiting. We have 30 minutes. Well, 23 minutes left on stream. So let's see if we're gonna get that retracement back to our play area. Bro, oh my gosh, man. Because I was changing the channel, man. I was changing the channel. Changing the channel on the on the TV. Changing the channel on the TV. Then I saw something and I stopped. And I was watching it. Watching it. Then I said, oh wait. Came back. Came back to the charts. Bam. The entry. And I was waiting for that entry, you know, Manny. I was waiting for the entry. And I said, all right, it's a bit calm, like there's no noise in the house. So I was like, okay, let me turn on the TV, you know, have something playing in the background. Turn on the TV, flipping through the channels. I don't even remember what came on, and I was watching it. And then I said, oh, wait, going back to the charts, entry confirmed, done. I was like, man, crazy. Crazy, man. So it's now actually a lot. It's now one of my rules not to watch TV while I'm trading, man. Yeah, no problem at all, Alexia. You have a nice weekend as well. See y'all next week. That was a pretty decent entry you caught there, over 100 pip on that. So congratulations to you on that. All right, man. It was just crazy, 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 crazy. Watching TV, waiting for a setup, missed the entry. Couldn't even send it. I was so mad, so mad because that day would have been so many pips. I tell you, so many pips on that day. And I think since that television incident, gold has just been acting crazy, man. I know it wants to give us, it wants to come back to the zone. I know you want to do it. I'm not sure why you're so shy though. Why is it being so shy? All right, so the cells are losing the poll. We have 68%. Well, not losing, but they're reducing. So we have 68% saying that we're going to get a sell, and 32% saying that we're going to get a buy. Well, the buy had been played out, but not for us really. So it's still valid. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so as well. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel as well, please go ahead and do so. And turn your notification bell on as well, so you can get the notifications once I am going live. I know that even though I'm going to be doing the live stream with the premium members on Zoom on Monday, I should be having an extended stream as well, and I'll be coming on live as well after that, just the same. So y'all will still see me on Monday as well. It's a very good time as well. Come on, gold. Is rejecting from this previous high right here. acting as a resistance. You know, I was thinking, let's say price goes to the 1 hour resistance, confirms an entry 2, right? Confirms an entry 2 there, and you take that position. This is basically a support, right? Would it not also be feasible if we took an entry 2 as well from this support, if it goes back up as well to continue the trend? What do you guys think about that, if that makes sense? Let's look at the 50-minute time frame. What's going on? First red candle rejecting from that range right there. That closes in 2 minutes. Still at the top. Still waiting for the retracement back downwards some more to my area. How far away is it though? How far away is the price from the zone? 40 pip, basically 50 pip. It's not a lot because it can make that move in pretty quickly. You need to be patient, of course, man. Every single day, that's the foundational rule. Just gotta be patient and just wait for your setup. All right, so the sells are dwindling down. 65% saying that we're going to be getting sells, and 35% saying that we're going to be getting buys. Let me just put alert just above my my 215 zone. Need to see price just to pull back in this range here. Pull back in the range, get that buy confirmed, then boom, road to 3,000. I think I've said that before, road to 3,000 before. Yeah, we didn't get road to 3,000 at that time, but there's so much pressure behind of this right now. So I think, yeah, definitely we should be looking for that. And look at it as well. Like look at it from this range as well. Look, the 215 zone is a pretty decent buy area. Pretty decent buy area because the 215 zone is at the bottom of the range. So that's where the all-time high is. Here in the zone is really a discount area as well for buys. So if we get that decent retracement, which I know can happen because I've seen it before where the price just melts back in the zone, bam, confirm, chef, buy, bop, take profit. I've seen this before. It's a classic. Yeah, it's not breaking this. Yeah, it is. It is slow. It's a really slow technique, but if you have the patience, it should reward you, as you can see multiple times. Now, why it's slow is the fact that you have and you need to see an exact pattern being formed for you to take an entry. An exact pattern is there's no wiggle room for an entry. The entries have to be exact, and because the entries have to be exact, it's not every single day it's gonna fit, you know, on the chart that you're looking at, or based on the price action. So I remember days when I was only just taking one trade for the day. If it doesn't happen between like 6:55 a.m. and 9 o'clock on London, then I'm out. And there are quite a few days when no entries get taken because I have to wait for an exact entry to play out. But sometimes gold does this, instead of stopping, it just keeps running and all of that. I've been using it so long now, so I'm used to it. And you know what could happen now? Price could consolidate in this zone for like 2 hours before actually doing anything after that. But I still have my I'm still leaving my alerts here on this, and I'll hold it and just wait and see if price comes back to this range. Also, as well, let me just put an alert here on that all-time high as well, and one on that 1 hour resistance again, just to see if price comes back into these range to confirm an entry two just the same, because an entry two can still play out. Not because we want to see price go into 3,000 means that price will go to 3,000. So an entry two for a sell can still play out as well. Remember, looking at let's look at the higher time frames just to see. He doesn't have to do it today. He can do it on Monday as well. Then again, we have the NY session coming out as well, so it's going to be interesting. So 4 hour time frame. Oh wait, my thing has frozen, saying that it's not getting any internet or signal. That's weird. Okay, yeah, looking at a, oh, my internet dropped just now. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, look at that that's a pretty clean range. Yeah, my internet just dropped. That's a pretty clean range. So not because we want to see it go to 3,000, mean it's gonna go to 3,000. It can very well confirm an entry to sell for us and take us all the way back down, maybe even over 300 pips if we just get it right. Yeah, the consolidation bit. All right, let's look at the votes. We're down to 65% for sells, 35% for buys. And one thing I do know for sure is that when gold is at all-time highs, man, the sellers are just GG. Would be decent though if it like went back up instead of coming back down. If it went back up and confirm a decent entry too, for us to take it from the top back down into the range. I think I'm gonna need some breakfast in real life soon. Candles are getting smaller. Volume has the London, I guess the London guys, they've made their money already, so they're out of the market taking an early lunch. Maybe because I don't know what's going on now. These candles are pretty slow. 15-minute time frame. Yeah, volume on that 15-minute candle is pretty slow. 30-minute. Hold on, let's go back to CADJPY. I kind of like this pair, you know. Really do. I'm gonna backtest this over the weekend. CADJPY. It moves pretty calmly. I'm gonna backtest it over the weekend to see. All right. So this is what I am looking for. All right. So I've set an alert on my 1 hour resistance at 2992. And I've also set an alert at 2993 as well, because that was all-time highs as well. And I also have an alert on my buy line at 2987. All right, so these are my 3 points of interest. Now, what I am looking for is, so let's say price comes into these areas between, well, as you can see, looking to take an entry 2 from these areas if it does confirm. If not, if price continues to melt and go back to the range, then I'll be looking for a buy as well if it confirms that buy motion, and a sell if it confirms that sell motion. So basically 3 entries that I'm going to be looking for. I think price is going to consolidate here for pretty while. Broken the zone, tested the highs, consolidating now. So just going to wait afterwards. I'm going to get something to eat in real life now, but on that note, my friends, I will leave y'all here and I will see y'all on Monday. All right, so premium members as well, I'll be sending that Zoom link for Monday, and then afterwards, maybe depending on how the charts look, we will go live on YouTube as well. Maybe very well even trade the NY session on Monday as well. Let's see, who knows. All right, good. Well, on that note, my friends, I want to say thank you all very much for being here. All right, despite the ups and the downs and not getting any entries on stream, you guys have been loyal to the 215, and I really do appreciate it. And I wish you guys nothing but blessing and an abundance of pips. All right, so I'll see y'all next week. Enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend. I'll see y'all on Monday. Thank you. Goodbye.